Okay guys, this is a little update on the 8S X Max that I've got. So I've had this a few months now. It's been through the walls quite a bit. It's gone through 4 Traxxas 8S ESCs. First one just failed on me. The next 3 after that literally caught on fire. And very good hobby shop that I bought it from in the UK supplied me free of charge with a Hobbywing Max 5 after that, due to the problems that I've had. So I put the Hobbywing Max 5 in. After about 10 runs or so, I managed to do this to the motor. Basically cook the motor completely, and it's all broken up. So I've just ordered a 6S motor actually. So rather than, I think it's 12, let's just have a look. Yes, that's a 1275 kV, and I've now ordered a 6S, which is a 1600 kV. So it should be a faster motor, probably a little bit less torque, but as long as I don't put the speed gears in it, I think I'll be fine. So 4 ESCs later, now got a Max 5. I've had a steering servo fail on me down in here. Rear diff, spider gears went, changed that. I've done some pinion and spurs, they've been replaced. So I've just ordered a new motor, so it won't be long until this thing will be back bashing and ready to go. This one, fully repaired. The steering servo did fail on it. I put a Savox in there, and that's all good to go. And I've just ordered, waiting for delivery, yes, DBXLE. So hopefully that should be here soon. Plenty more bashing videos to come. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, thumbs up. See you later.